My name is Casey Moore. I'm a smartboard trainer with Presentation Products. You can visit our website at www.smartboards.com. If you have questions about this session, you can email me at kmoore@pproducts.com. In this session, I'll show you how to use the Screen Capture Toolbar to capture images from the internet or any other application on your computer. The first thing we need to do is make sure we have the camera icon on the toolbar in Notebook software. And as you can see, I don't. So I'm going to customize this by right-clicking on any of the icons on the toolbar. When I do that, I get my Customize Toolbar window, and I can drag any of these items up onto my toolbar, and I can also take objects from the toolbar and drag them off. So I find the screen capture, and it's the camera icon right here. If I take that and I drag it, I get a blue bar where I'm dropping it, and I release, and there it is. So I'm just dragging and dropping with my mouse. When I'm finished, I click Done in the bottom right-hand corner. Now when I click on that camera icon on the toolbar, my Screen Capture Toolbar comes up. And this gives me 4 options for sizes for screen captures. It also allows me to choose whether to capture the object to a new page or to put it on the current active page in Notebook software. So I'm going to navigate to a brand new page like this and go into Google, and I've already searched for an Eric Carle image. So I went to Google, I typed in Eric Carle, and this is an image I would like to use with my preschoolers or my kindergartners. So I'm going to choose the first option, which is a rectangular capture, and this is just like cropping a photograph. So I put the target in the upper left-hand corner. You can start in any corner, and then I drag diagonally across to create essentially a cropping box. When I have the size I want, I release my mouse. If you're doing this on a smartboard, of course you release your finger, and it makes a little ding or a noise, and then you look back in your Notebook software, and there's my object. This becomes an object just like any other object in Notebook, so I can resize with the resize handle. I can rotate it, and I have all of the drop-down box options that I have for all standard objects. The 2 options in the middle, capturing an active window and capturing the entire screen, are not as useful for these purposes. So I'm going to use the last option, which is a freehand capture. And this is actually very fun. So you'll see the difference right away. I can choose any shape, and this is actually easier if you're on the smartboard because you can trace with your finger instead of your mouse. So mine's going to look a little bit childish. Trace any shape you want, and I'm dragging with my mouse. I have my mouse button clicked the whole time I'm doing this. When I release my finger, it takes a screen capture, and it sends that picture into Notebook software. And there's my new picture. Now, it looks like the same object because my background color is the same as the frame that was around the picture. But if I change my background color, I go into the Properties tab, I'll change the color to red. You can right away see the difference between the rectangular capture and the freehand capture. If you have any questions about using this, please feel free to send me an email at kmoore@pproducts.com and look at the resources on our website at www.smartboards.com. Thanks very much for listening. Bye-bye.